Today I'll be showing you to make another easy student-friendly dish with our main ingredients, potato. To make this dish, you got to boil your potatoes first. Add half a tablespoon of salt to make this boiling process easy. This is our boiled potatoes. Make sure to cut your potatoes into few pieces to make your mashing process easy. Now you got to mash all your potatoes before adding all the other ingredients into it. Make sure to mash your potatoes very well. Look at the fine texture. You must finely mash it before adding all the other ingredients. Now add 2 tablespoons of spring onion and then 1 tablespoon of celery. Celery is optional. Celery will give you a very crunchy taste. If you don't like celery, that's okay. Then add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Lastly, add your mayonnaise. Now you got to mix it well. While mixing, you will get a very delicious smell. The smell of the mayonnaise mixing with the potatoes and pepper. This mayonnaise potato is a perfect side dish for a spicy curry or even your spaghettis. They go very well. Ta-da! Our delicious mayo potato is ready to eat.